Every great journey begins with a single step. Ours starts in a small coastal town. A young boy full of curiosity tinkers with tools in his father's workshop. He dreams of machines and inventions. This boy, filled with a thirst for knowledge and a passion for creating, would grow up to become a successful engineer. His journey, marked by both triumphs and challenges, serves as a beacon of inspiration to aspiring engineers around the world. His early life was simple, filled with the familiar rhythms of a small town, but his mind raced with ideas, constantly seeking ways to improve and invent. He devoured books on science and engineering. The boy spent hours sketching designs and building prototypes, each one a stepping stone on his path to engineering greatness. This is the story of an ordinary boy with extraordinary dreams, a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and an unyielding belief in oneself. His journey reminds us that within each of us lies the potential for greatness. The seed of engineering was planted early on. The boy, captivated by the intricacies of machines, spent countless hours disassembling and rebuilding gadgets. Each disassembled part revealed a hidden world of gears, circuits, and mechanisms. He yearned to understand how things worked, to unlock the secrets behind their design. His curiosity wasn't confined to the workshop. He saw engineering everywhere. In the architecture of buildings, the design of bridges, even the simple elegance of a bicycle. The natural world, too, became a source of inspiration, its intricate systems and elegant solutions fueling his desire to create. School became an exciting playground for his burgeoning passion. He excelled in mathematics and science, drawn to their logic and precision. He eagerly participated in science fairs, his projects showcasing a unique blend of creativity and technical skill. It was during these formative years that his path became clear. He was destined to be an engineer, to use his talents to solve problems and make the world a better place. No journey is traveled alone. Along the way, we meet individuals who shape our paths and ignite our spirits. For this aspiring engineer, mentors played a crucial role in nurturing his talents and guiding him towards success. There was his high school physics teacher, a passionate educator who instilled in him a deep love for the subject. He opened the young man's eyes to the wonders of physics, demonstrating how its principles underpinned the workings of the universe. His guidance extended beyond the classroom, encouraging him to participate in science competitions and pursue his engineering dreams. At university, a professor recognized his raw talent and became a valuable mentor. He challenged the young engineer, pushing him to think critically and solve complex problems. He provided opportunities for research and hands-on experience, nurturing his skills and fostering his growth. These mentors, along with countless others, played a pivotal role in shaping the engineer's journey. They provided guidance, encouragement, and unwavering support, helping him navigate the challenges and celebrate the triumphs that lay ahead. Section 4. Triumphs and breakthroughs. The engineer's career was marked by a series of remarkable achievements. Each success was the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in his vision. One of his earliest breakthroughs came in the field of renewable energy. He developed an innovative system for harnessing solar power, making it more efficient and accessible to communities in need. This invention earned him international recognition and solidified his reputation as a rising star in the engineering world. He didn't rest on his laurels. He continued to push boundaries, tackling complex challenges in fields ranging from transportation to medicine. He led the development of a revolutionary new transportation system, one that promised to reduce congestion and pollution in urban areas. His work in biomedical engineering led to the creation of life-saving medical devices, improving the lives of countless individuals. These triumphs, while significant, were not without their challenges. Setbacks and failures were an inevitable part of the process. Yet each obstacle, each hurdle overcome, only strengthened his resolve. Section 5. A legacy of innovation. Today, the engineer's legacy extends far beyond his inventions. He is a role model for aspiring engineers around the world, inspiring them to dream big and pursue their passions with unwavering determination. He established a foundation dedicated to promoting STEM education, providing underprivileged students with opportunities to explore the world of science and engineering. He understood the importance of nurturing young minds, of sparking within them the same passion that had ignited his own journey. His story is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a reminder that with hard work, dedication, and a belief in oneself, anything is possible. He has left an indelible mark on the world, not just through his inventions, but through the countless lives he has touched and inspired. His journey from humble beginnings to engineering greatness continues to resonate, reminding us that the power to shape the future lies within each and every one of us.